Hey kids, let's draw and hear a story of Peppa Pig. What if I told you Peppa Pig discovered a hidden treasure right in her own backyard? Sounds exciting, right? Well, hold on to your boots because today's story is full of fun, surprises, and a little bit of muddy puddle magic. Let's go. One sunny morning, Peppa Pig woke up feeling extra adventurous. She put on her favorite red dress and called her little brother George. "George, let's go on an adventure today." She squealed with excitement. George, holding his favorite dinosaur toy, giggled. "Dinosaur!" Peppa and George ran outside, where Mummy Pig was gardening and Daddy Pig was reading a newspaper. "Mummy, Daddy, can we go on a treasure hunt?" Peppa asked. Daddy Pig chuckled. "A treasure hunt? That sounds like a brilliant idea, Peppa." So off they went, Peppa, George, Mummy Pig, and Daddy Pig, exploring their backyard, looking for clues. Peppa searched near the big apple tree. George peeked under a bush, and Daddy Pig checked behind his deck chair, after taking a little rest, of course. Then suddenly, thud! George's tiny feet hit something hard in the ground. "Look! A treasure chest!" Peppa shouted. With Mummy Pig's help, they dug it out and opened the wooden lid. Inside, they found shiny gold coins, sparkly jewels, and a very special map. Peppa gasped. "Wow! We're real pirates now?" Daddy Pig inspected the map. "It looks like the treasure belongs to someone named Captain Muddy Boots." Peppa and George giggled. "Captain Muddy Boots! That's me!" Peppa shouted, jumping up and down. But of course, no adventure is complete without some muddy puddles. So Peppa and George put on their boots, and together with Mummy and Daddy Pig, they splashed and played, laughing the whole time. The treasure wasn't gold or jewels. It was the best family adventure ever. And that's how Peppa Pig found a real treasure, right in her own backyard. Would you like to go on a treasure hunt like Peppa? Bye for now. See you next time.